to Math Made Easy with Frida. Today we will be solving this radical problem. Today we have root 10 over 10, and what is the answer? Possible answers are 10 to the power of 0.5, half, 10 to the power of 2, 10 to the power of negative 0.5. Now we know from previous lessons that root 10 is equal to 10 to the power of half, and the number 10 by itself, if it has no power here, is actually equal to 10 to the power of 1. Alright, so we can rewrite this as 10 to the power of half over 10 to the power of 1. And according to rule of exponents, when this is a denominator, we subtract. So this will be equal to 10 to the power of half minus 1. So let's work out what is half minus 1. We get negative half. And negative half happens to be negative 0.5. So your answer will be 10 to the power of negative 0.5, which is choice D. 10 to the power of negative 0.5 is your answer. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to practice every day, please subscribe to my channel as I post every day. Till next time, have a nice day.